There's probably only a handful of moments where someone is lucky enough to say, "Is this really happening right now? Is this really my life?" Visiting Tenuta de Ranieri is one of those fairy tale moments. Marco is one of those winemakers, colleagues, and friends that you just can't help but enjoy being around. His wines and rare strive for perfection is truly special. Special in his meticulous hand in the wine and food and all-around company he brings. Marco can do it all. Everything from the perfect dry rosé for summer nights to the biggest, most beautiful red you just remember forever. Marco is such an important part of the Total Wine family, and we can't wait to continue to see his hand at work over centuries to come.